and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Kass. Today's recipe will be making no big monster balls. This recipe is so easy. TJ will be telling you guys how to do it. So you know the rule. Go wash up, come back on and join us.
This recipe we'll be using 1.5 cups of old-fashioned oats, 1 food cup of honey, half a cup of creamy peanut butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, half a cup of mini M&Ms. For this recipe, we're going to put all our ingredients into the bowl, then mix.
Alright, let's start.
Put this inside first.
Let's get our peanut butter.
Peanut butter next.
Put it.
Then my honey. Then honey. And then pour our M&Ms. Then mix. Mixing it together.
Once you finish mixing, we're gonna use an ice cream scoop if you have. If not, a tablespoon scooper should be fine as well. We're gonna use this to scoop up the balls to put on the sheet here that we have lined with parchment paper.
Wow. Can you open this? Okay.
So simple, everybody in the family could help make.
Ta-da! That one was easy. Hold it, Bubba.
Once you have your balls completed, we're gonna pop them in the fridge for 1 hour. After they're set, they're good to eat. So we're gonna go on ahead, put them in our fridge for 1 hour, and then enjoy them. So when you make yours, make sure you enjoy it. Have fun.